Hey there, everybody. I'm just going to make a quick short video on how to set up drawing templates. So in my class, I know that I've attached drawing templates for you guys to use, but I wanted to give a little bit of depth on how to make it where when you hit new, it'll actually show it in this list right here like mine do. So first of all, you would want to open whatever it is location that has these files in them. So for you, I would assume that it would be downloaded off the internet, so you would probably have it in your downloads folder. So you would go in here and open up the file. In my case, mine are saved on my local flash drive. So once you have it open, what you would do is choose File, Save As, Drawing Template, and then ensure that it says .dwt, and it's going to default to where your other templates already are. You may notice AutoCAD ISO. And then, if you want to delete out template and call it something else, you're welcome to do so. And then you would hit save. I'm going to call mine, something a little different. That way I can delete this out later. But you'll hit save, and then it'll give you this little dialog box here. Don't worry about hitting anything. You're really not going to need it. So just go ahead and hit OK. So now, if I hit new, you'll see it's listed right there. So that's it, so going forward, go ahead and save each template and put them in as a template, and that'll be it. You won't have to worry about doing it again after that. It's just a one-time setup kind of deal. If I end up changing templates later, I'll walk y'all through that when we get there. All right, well, thanks for watching.